Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find browsing history in Temu, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First open the app. Now you have to click on the U option, which is your profile on the bottom of the screen, and now you can see the browsing history option. Click on it and here you will see your recently viewed items. So it's really great because if you browsed and wanted to order something or check it later but you forgot it or you didn't had the time to order it, here you can check it to see what item was that and you can order it. So here you will see all your recently viewed items. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.